Hi everyone, Rhonda Robson with Rhonda's Tri-RRR-tistry. I am a fluid artist here in Sioux City, Iowa. Thank you for joining me today. Today is going to be ring pours utilizing a white background, black background, and then the opposite for the highlight color within the cups. And so what I mean by that is I took the three primary colors of yellow, blue, and red, magenta technically, and I put those three and I layered them with white or I layered them with black. And so here's the results on this one here. Kind of has that shine there. This one right here happens to be the black background with the white in between each ring. And then this one was the white background with black in between each ring. As you can see, that the gold or the yellow kind of took on a little bit of a gold look there. I thought that's kind of cool. And I kind of messed up right there at the end, but you know, what can you do? Sometimes when you're testing things, you're not as careful as you are when you're okay. So that was my cat moving my camera. Sorry for the wiggle there. Anyway, let's get back to fluid art. So, so this one was with the white background, and then again, this one was with the black background. So let's get you down the canvas and show you how to do a ring pour utilizing those different backgrounds. All right, bye for now. Talk to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, to click the notification bell, and don't forget to let me know down below what you think. All right, bye for now. Hi everyone. All right, so this one was going to be the ring pour. We'll do one with a black background, one with a white background, and then we will layer our cups, black at the bottom for one of the cups and white at the bottom with one of the cups. So I think the black one, I'll have the white at the bottom, and the white one, I'll have the black at the bottom. So let's layer our cups that way. So notice how the colors still stay separate in the cups. That means that this is nice and thick, and that's what you want for a ring pour. Well, this paint's been sitting here for a while and there's a bunch of stuff in it, so I don't know if it's gonna do a really good job in here or not. Well, we'll see. Oh, I forgot the light on that one. Okay, here we go. So I've gone in a circle to try to keep it so that the weight of the paint goes in this direction I'm wanting it to go, to keep the lines like that. I kind of like it right there. So I'm gonna go put this in the back and let it dry. All right, let's try the white one next. Okay, well, let's do the white ring pour now. Start with a little petal in the middle with the white. Now this has the black on the top and the black on the bottom, so let's see how this one turns out. So with the white behind it, it's popping through some white on there. And I'm gonna just try to fix this right here in the middle. I think it would have looked really cool with black and black instead of the white underneath. Okay, well, we'll see what happens. I'm gonna let it dry now. I think I would have really liked to have had the background black on this one. But that's the whole purpose of today, is just experimenting and just show you how to do a ring pour. So how I got this was I wasn't paying attention to the weight of the paint, but it's kind of cool looking too. So it just kind of depends on what you're looking for. And then of course this was because I dripped across. So, all right, well, we'll see what it dries like. Bye for now. As you are when you're okay. So that was my cat moving my camera. Sorry for the wiggle there. Anyway, let's get back to fluid art. So
thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching and have a great day.